Welcome everyone. It's a fresh new day, and with it, we bring you an exciting update on IPTV technology. Today, we are focusing on setting up IPTV on your device, a task easier than you might think. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below for up-to-date content, and check out 2tv.store, the best IPTV provider out there. Ready? Let's get started. First, power up your device and navigate to the App Store. Search for your IPTV app of choice. There are plenty, but find one that aligns with 2tv.store's compatibility. Download and install the app, making sure your device stays connected to the internet. Open up the app, where you'll need to input the unique M3U or URL link provided by 2tv.store. Inputting this will load your channels almost instantly. And voila, you're all set up to enjoy the world of IPTV. Before you go, if you found this tutorial helpful, tap that bell icon for notifications, subscribe to our channel, and pay a visit to 2tv.store for unbeatable IPTV service.